Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to unbox this 1 by 70 722nd scale artillery USS George W. Bush CVN 77 aircraft carrier. Uh, just remind you that this is my first ship ever that I'm gonna build. So just on the comments, let me know if I say or do something wrong. This from the looks of it and from my research, it looks like this is a very basic aircraft carrier set. There are much more detailed kits are available, which are very detailed, require much more experience, but this one is quite simpler. If you look at the box, this box is very compact and looks like a very good box, very good detail picture of the aircraft carrier outside the box, and from the looks of it, it does include this unmanned UAV, this X-47B that was tested by the US Navy few years before. And if you see from the box, there are some details in multiple languages, and total length of the kit after the build up, which is around 44.7 centimeter, and some more pictures of the aircraft carrier. And let's open this one and check. First of all, let's see, this is the decal sheet of this kit. It looks quite promising, and from my experience, this artillery decal sheets are usually good. It's a quite basic one, not many much details are there. uh, some insignia for the aircrafts of the carrier. This is for the X-47B, and that is related to the runway markings of this carrier. Let's just have a quick look on the instructions. Typical of artillery. Oh, this is a single page instruction. Okay, some details, and then some details regarding the screw. There are total 5 screws: A, B, C, D, and E. I think A and B are related to the main deck of the aircraft carrier, with some aircrafts on it, and the D and E contains the rest of this, like antennas and some aircrafts. If you go through the instructions are quite similar and quite simple. It does look quite simple. It does not have much more like smaller components in it. So I think, as per my opinion, 3 level skill set will be good enough to build this aircraft carrier. And at the end, if you see that there are not many like this paint schemes are there, so it will be fairly simpler. Let's see how many screws we have. There are two major bags of screws which contain, I think the bag one of this bigger one will contain A and B, the main hull deck screws, and the rest will be in the smaller bag. Let's open these guys and see. Okay, if we open this one, a bigger one first, let's see what we got inside. Okay, we need to be very careful because during the shipment some components may become loose, because most of these screws they just put it together. This is the main hull of the aircraft carrier. From the looks of it, the plastic quality is really good. It has a lot of details, not so many, but for the basic and the price level of this kit, these are quite good. And I cannot see any flash. Maybe there are some little bit inside out, but overall it looks quite promising. And plastic is also looks good. No, not so much thin, so it can be break, but not so much thick that if you want to mold a little bit, you can do that. Okay, this is the main one of the main sprues. It contains the main deck and a lot of these aircraft. I think these are F-14s, and this AVAX aircraft is also there. Some of the mast of the ship, some railings. Okay, The next one is the other main screw, which contains the main runways for the aircraft carrier. And I think these are the stands, parts of the stand. It does come with the stand. Okay, let's see the last screws. What does these contain? Okay, this sprue mainly consists of these aircrafts and the helicopters of the aircraft carrier. Yeah, it does contain this X-47B UAV. That is a welcome addition. Let's see. And the last one, this is the last sprue, contains the main mast of the ship, some towing vehicles, and some other parts of the aircraft carrier. So this is all about this kit. I'm very excited to build my first ever aircraft carrier, and let me know in the comments if I how can I improve my reviews. Thank you so much.